Hi everyone, I am Anil Kumar. Today I would like to speak about 3-year LLB first semester. Many of the students they are worrying about how to pass first semester, especially once they get pass first semester. Obviously they will have interest to study second semester, and remaining semester can able to pass very easily. Their worry is first semester. In the first semester nobody knows properly correctly what to write, how to write, and what are all the subjects are available in LLB, and how to prepare for those notes, and how to write case laws, and how to write illustrations, how to write answers for those questions like 10 marks question, 6 marks question. They do not have any idea. our in my channel you can able to see my videos. You can have a idea about how to score your LLB examinations, and how to write notes, and how to write case laws, and how to write illustrations. Everything I have given video. You can able to mention your comments on below my YouTube channel, so that I can give videos on the those subjects are specific. You please specify which you require, so that I can give a video on that specific topics. So today I would like to speak about first semester. In first semester there will be a 5 core subjects, and one subject will be there, that is language subject, that is English subject. Overall writing in Kannada medium, they have to write English paper also. Those who are doing writing in English medium, they need not to write English paper, because already they are writing in English all the 5 subjects. So in the first semester, as I told you, 5 core subjects. The first subject is Constitution Law 1. In Constitution Law 1, in the syllabus, they have covered from Article 1 to Article 51, like the basic constitution, like preamble, and characteristics of our Indian Constitution, and directive principles, uh, and fundamental rights, especially fundamental rights, they have elaborated in the Constitution Law 1. In Constitution Law 2, there will be a second semester, but in the first semester, they have covered from Article 1 to Article 51. We have to study properly, and we have to uh, write case laws, and we have to give illustrations, so so that you can get more marks in LLB. There will be a procedure we have to follow in the examination. Then second subject is contract 1. In contract 1, there will be a act called Indian Contract Act 1872. In the act, what is contract, what is the characteristic of contract, how to be made contract, and how to be terminated contract, what is breach of contract, this and all they have explained very well in the contract 1. And one more act is there, specific relief act. So in the specific relief act, we have to study about injection, how to get the injection order from the in any case of emergencies. They have mentioned very clearly. So this in the contract 1, as I told you, general principles of contract, then as well the specific relief act we have to study. Then third subject is family law 1. Family law 1 or Hindu law. In the first semester, we have to study about Hindu law. What is Hindu law? And there will be a, like, what is the marriage, and what how marriage will be terminated, what is divorce, or those kind of things we have to study in the family law. And one more law is there, Indian Hindu Succession Act, that we need to study. So there will be a maintenance, Hindu Marriage Maintenance Act, Hindu Marriage Act, Dowry Act. There will be many acts in the family law one. So we have to study family law one. Then next subject is criminal law one. In criminal law one, we have to study about Indian Penal Code. In Indian Penal Code, there are many concepts will be there. We have to study Indian Penal Code thoroughly in the first semester. So, in the how criminal things will be done, they have elaborated in the subject. We have to study about it. Then next subject is law of torts. In the law of torts, there is no criminal, but there is what is the difference between law of torts as well criminal law? Main concept is, and in law of torts there is no sections or subsection, there is no law in the law of torts, but as per case laws, we need to give judgment any kind of like torts. So this is how the all five subject we have to study very thoroughly in the first semester. If you study very thoroughly in the first semester, you need not to worry about other semester. Definitely you will read and write in remaining semesters. The only worry is our students is first semester. In the first semester they will get uh, like courageous or motivation. If you get it in the first semester, definitely you don't need to worry about the remaining semesters. So that is the reason in my YouTube channel I have explained all the things, what the LLB students, what is their functions while studying LLB course, how to write exam, how to write examination, how to manage your time in the examination, and how to write your notes, and how to study, how to write a case class, how to write illustrations. I have explained very thoroughly in my all videos. You can go through in my all videos so that you will come to know the basic concepts of especially LLB. This channel is meant for only means specifically LLB students. In between I am doing motivational videos also, so that if you see that motivational videos you will get motivated yourself, so you can engage with you your studies. So that is the reason in between I am doing even motivational videos also. Motivation is very important. How we eat food, like that our mind also required fuel. So that is the reason I'm doing motivational videos also. So please do subscribe my channel Anil Kumar KT, so that you will get very good videos on LLB. So once again I will repeat about our LLB first semester. Especially we will have a five core subjects and one language subject. One language subject is that is called English. Oral writing in Kannada medium, they have to write one paper English. And remaining core LLB subjects: Constitution Law 1, Family Law 1, Criminal Law 1, Law of Torts, and these all subjects, if you thoroughly study, means definitely you need not worry about your LLB first semester. Especially you will get pass very easily if you follow my uh, you know I have given many videos on LLB. If you follow with my videos, definitely you need not to worry about your LLB results. Thank you.